Hello, good morning students. How are you all? Fine. Yesterday we studied about magic seed, correct? I told you you have to learn the poem. The poem is quite easy, okay? The poet is saying that I found a tiny little seed and that I planted outside of my house. Almost at once it started to grow tall and wide. Very suddenly, within some days, it grew up and it became tall and wide tree. Yes or no? Who said? Poet said. It sprouted leaves from everywhere. When it started growing up, at that time the plant got many leaves, and by those leaves sprouted very fast, and soon it became a big tree. It became quite big. It became a big tree, and I'm not sure what it is yet. I don't know of what seed the tree has grown up. Okay, we mention or not, we say or not, tamarind tree, coconut tree, like that. Poet do not know the seed is of which plant. Okay, we have names for every trees and plants, correct? No matter how it turns out, I know that it will be my own completely special, correct or not? The poet is saying that I have planted it, so it is very special for me, and as it is very special for me, I am going to take care of it. And then sometimes or other tree, let it be any tree, if it is good, then also I'm going to then also it is special for me, and if it is not good tree, then also it is special for me. I'm not going to cut it, or I'm not going to hurt it, or I will not cut it. Okay, in this way poet said about a magic seed. From magic seed how big tree was grown. And here it is shown that you have to just whisper. There is a short game over here. Teacher will whisper a word in a child's ear and ask him or her to whisper in another child's ear. This word will be passed on into each and every child's ear by one. The last child will say that word aloud. Do you know what? If there are 20 children sitting together, and teacher if will say one word in the ear of first child, when it will be passed on, and when the last child will pronounce that which word was said by teacher, many times it happens that the word which is told by teacher gets changed every time. Understood or not? If teacher will say magic seed, then second one will say magic seed, then the other one will say magic said, magic sun, like that it will go on changing, because everybody's hearing is different, everyone hears differently, and then whatever the person will hear, say the person will pass it on to others, and the last person who will say aloud will say something else. What was told by first person, that word will be different, and what last person will say, that word will be different. Now we all are not there in school, otherwise we would have played this game in the class, correct or not? I would have told in first child's ear, and then you would have what passed it on till the last child or the last row of benches, and then what last child will say aloud. That was really fun. It was this it was an activity. Let's see if school opens, or when if our school will start regularly, that time we will have this game in the class. And if you want to enjoy this game at home, you can do one thing: tell your mother to tell something in your ear. Okay, and if you are 6 to 7 members in the house, you just go and tell one word in the ear of mother, then she will pass it on to father will pass to grandmother will pass to grandfather. Okay, in this way you pass it on. Okay, pass it on, and then if 7 members are there, then check what last person will pronounce that word, what it will be, what he will say or she will say. That you can have at home, you can play this game at home. Okay, now we are going to start with new lesson. The name of our lesson is unit 2, lesson number 5. Who are you? Okay, what is given in the lesson? Who are you? Who are you means what? When we ask question to someone, who are you, then what you say? I am a student of Sri Ganesh International School, or then I am a son of so and so person, I am a daughter of so and so person. You say or not, like that? In same way here there is there is a fun between rabbit and vegetables. Okay, rabbit is asking question to sorry, vegetables are asking question to rabbit, and then rabbit is giving answer to vegetables. Okay, there is a fun in this lesson. I'll just read for you. Okay, learn, read with me and enact. You have to do acting now, but you all are not there together in the classroom, or we all are not there in the school, so it is not possible for us, but I will read for you. Your first one. Student 1. Hello, I am a fresh green cabbage. Who are you? Student 2. I am a smart white rabbit and I eat cabbages. Student 1. Ah, runs away. Okay. Who's running away? Cabbage is running away. Cabbage is saying, hello, I am fresh green cabbage. To whom? Cabbage is saying to rabbit, and then cabbage is saying, who are you? Rabbit is saying, I am a smart white rabbit and I eat cabbages. And then what happens? What reaction is given by cabbage? When white rabbit says that I am a smart white rabbit and I eat cabbages, at that time cabbage runs away. Okay. Now second. Now this is between first and second child. Now third child. Third child. Hello, I am a juicy crunchy carrot. Who are you? Second child. Now again second child is saying, I am a smart white rabbit and I eat carrots. What third child is saying? Hello, I am a juicy crunchy carrot. Who are you? The second child is saying, I am a smart white rabbit. I eat carrots. Then what will be condition of carrots? Same like cabbage. Carrot will also run away. What carrot will say? Ah, run. Okay. Fourth child now. Hello, I am a big red tomato. Who are you? Second child again. I am a smart white rabbit and I eat tomatoes. Fourth child. Ah, run away. Next. Now fifth child. Hello, I am a green leafy vegetable. Who are you? Second child. I am a smart white rabbit and I eat vegetables. What will happen with green leafy vegetables? Green leafy vegetable will also run away. Sixth one. Hello, who are you? I am a smart white rabbit and I eat vegetables. Who are you? Sixth child gets up. I am a super duper clever fox and I eat smart white rabbits. At this time who will run then? Rabbit will run away. Ah, run. Sixth child runs after the second child. Understood? See, in this way, it is quite interesting lesson. Can you see here? Cabbage. Cabbage is saying first, hi, who are you? Hello, I am fresh green cabbage. Who are you? I am a smart white rabbit. I eat cabbages. Cabbage runs. Again here. Hello, I am a juicy crunchy carrot. Who are you? I am a smart white rabbit and I eat carrot. Carrot also runs away. Then fourth again. Hello, I am a big red tomato. Who are you? I am a smart white rabbit and I eat tomatoes. Tomato runs away. Have you understood or not? This is an activity based lesson. For this activity we need how many students? We need 6 students. First, second is not changing. Second will be which child? Second will be white rabbit. Understood or not? Smart white rabbit. First is what? First child is what? Cabbage. Second one is rabbit. Third one is what? Third one is carrot. Fourth one is tomato. Fifth one is green leafy vegetable. And sixth one is fox. Have you understood? And then you have to enact. Enact means what? You have to do acting of it. If it is possible, if you are 6 people in the house, you can do this acting. Okay. If you are 6 children in your house, you can do this activity in your house. One will become tomato, one will become green leafy vegetable, one will become cabbage, one will become carrot, one will become tomato. Tomato is over or what? One will become cabbage, one will become carrot, one will become tomato, one will become green leafy vegetable, one will become smart white rabbit, and last one, the sixth one will become clever fox. And then you have to do acting of tomato, you have to do acting of cabbage, you have to do acting of green leafy vegetables. Have you understood lesson? Okay. Hello. Once again I will repeat for you. Hello, I am a fresh green cabbage. Now who is talking? Rabbit is talking. Hello, I am a smart, what it is? I am a smart white rabbit and I like to eat cabbages. Cabbage will shake hand out. What? No. You like to eat cabbage? I'm running. Okay. Then it same thing happens with what? Same thing happens with carrot. Carrot is saying, hello, I'm a crunchy carrot. Again, white rabbit is saying what? White rabbit is saying, hello, I'm a smart white rabbit and I like to eat carrots. Carrot? Instead of shaking hand, what carrot will do? Carrot will run away. The third time, same thing happens with tomato. Tomato also, what tomato says, hello, I'm a big red tomato. Who are you? He says again, I'm a smart white rabbit and I like to eat tomatoes. Tomato will say, yes, you eat me. Tomato will say, oh, what? No, what tomato will do? Tomato will run away. In same way, same thing happens with green leafy vegetables, and at last there is a fox. He is wearing what? He has wore a dress and he's telling that, who are you? Then he's saying that I am a super duper clever fox. In last picture you can see what he's saying, I am a super duper clever fox. That is a child actually. Child has wore dress. You can see here in the picture. And I eat smart rabbits. And who runs then at last? Everywhere vegetables are running, and at last who runs? Rabbit runs. Understood? In this way we have completed our lesson. Here it is told that name and label the pictures of various vegetables in your word file. Enact the story. Here it is told that you have to name and label the pictures of various vegetables. You have to draw various vegetables in your notebook and you have to label them. Are you understanding or not? For example, now which more vegetables are there? Spinach is there, capsicum is there, pumpkin is there, correct? You can draw pictures of those vegetables in your notebook. Brinjal is there, radish is there. Okay, draw pictures of those vegetables and label them. Label them means what? Give names to those vegetables. That is your homework for today. Do at least draw at least 5 vegetables in your notebook. Okay, remaining part of the lesson, question answers, workbook question answers I will send you on WhatsApp group. Please complete those questions in your workbook. Otherwise there is nothing to, in exercise we don't have any questions of this lesson. Have you understood lesson? Okay, remaining part of this lesson and new lesson we will study tomorrow. Thank you.